welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Oh my lord, look at this beautiful Florida day. Holy smokes, gorgeous. These are the kind of days that I live for here in Florida. These kind of nice, cool, breezy, very low humidity mornings. But in any case, today I am here to talk to you about the Evo. We are actually going to take the Evo to RC Hill Mitsubishi today to get the inner axle CV boots changed on all four corners of this beautiful example of a 2008 Mitsubishi Evo 10. It's because all four corners are slinging grease. Yeah. And no, please do not chastise me. I do maintain my vehicles, but very rare that I get underneath this car. It is an older car. It's a 2008. It's the very first iteration of the 10. So there are some issues with it. For example, like here, the clear coat. It's starting to peel a little bit. So I'm going to get my friend Timmy Thompson, who is the owner, proprietor, and the obviously lead technician that works at Cartoon Customs. It's his company. He is the master of paint, and this guy, he can do anything when it comes to paint. He will paint match anything, and it will look exactly like stock. Now, mind you, this does not need paint. It just needs a respray of the clear. And with that being said, we're probably gonna have to take the wrap off. I know. And it's a one-off wrap from Tommy, who used to own Raptors, and Raptors is now closed. They did not survive the pandemic. Rest in peace, Raptors. But there are some big changes that I want to do to this car, and there are some things that I need to kind of do, and that includes unwrapping the side of the vehicle. But without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and take it to RC Hill Mitsubishi today. They're going to give me a loaner. Whatever it is. They can give me any vehicle that I can just drive home, and the following day I'm going to go pick it up. So anyway, guys, I will see you guys at RC Hill Mitsubishi in a few minutes. Peace out. And just like that, we're all done up. Prep, ready to go. Anyway, I know you guys want to hear this again. Cold start. My neighbors walked by and they just had that death stare on their faces. I'm like, oh well, sorry. Alright. We're on the back road going towards Ocala, Florida to take this beautiful example of a Mitsubishi Evo 10 to RC Hill Mitsubishi and have them take care of my inner CV boots, all four corners, because they're all slinging grease, folks. And boy, is it a beautiful day today, guys. Florida is flexing. Look at that. Gorgeous driving. I love the views. Pretty awesome. Alright, and here we are, 3550 South Pine Avenue, Ocala, Florida, the home of RC Hill Mitsubishi. The home of the Evos, boys. The home of the Evos. Anyway, I'm kind of digging some of these SUVs that they got. Really like it. Anyway, we are here. Oh, look at that. I already see one. There's Jake. And here we are, boys. RC Hill Mitsubishi, home of the Evos. Get my stuff. What's up, Will? How's it going, man? Alright, let's get my gear. Oh, thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Jake's going to get you a lumber vehicle.
I appreciate it, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah. Man, you guys are top notch here. I don't care what they say. Here again at RC Hill. Oh yeah. It's like literally my favorite cars. Look at this. Holy smokes. Fan freaking tastic. Beautiful Evo. It's an Evo 8. Gorgeous. It's a 10 FE. Yeah. You know, the only thing I really don't like about the FE is like this whole thing with the non-Recaro seats. But otherwise, love it. I wish I had that navigation system right there. Wish I had that. Be cool. And these, I guess, anodized wheels. Because mine's just powder coated. FE, baby. FE. The man, the myth, the legend himself, Jake.
What's up, bro?
How you
Good
doing,
to
brother?
see ya.
Good to see you too. Man, I appreciate you getting me in. Thank
No,
you.
seriously,
Yeah,
bro.
thank
I'm
you.
glad you're here.
Dude,
and,
it's
we got
amazing.
A car ready for you, so.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Did you get some coffee?
How kind of service you get around here, man? You get a loaner. Look at that. Jake's the man. He's like,
Only one time. No,
only one.
You're good, bro.
All right, not that I do this for everybody, but Jake's hooking me up today. So, yeah, I mean, I got to leave my baby with Jake. So,
Yeah.
like, but man, you guys, I'm telling you, this is not just any dealership. I mean, we're talking like Jake drives an Evo,
Yeah, Evo
right?
9.
Evo 9. Brother drives an Evo 8, right? Evo 8. That's the one that was on the last video that was being built. I mean,
She's made some headway on that one. I have to go check that out.
I mean, people ask me like, no, because some of my followers are kind of giving me the third degree about like, hey, why are you taking it to a dealership? I said, look, it's you know, to me it's really important to have quality work done,
Right.
especially on a car like that, right? I mean, you know, you get an Evo, you know, 8, 9, you know, even like back from the Evo 3s, right? I mean, you know, you're gonna need parts. Number one, Jake's got access to parts. Right there. He's got access to parts. Okay? I mean, he's got access to parts. He's got one of the top 10 Evo mechanics on the planet working here, Will.
Yeah.
You know, so by the way, his Instagram's on the description below. But like, dude, you cannot underestimate, you cannot overestimate actually the value of quality work done at a place where they have quality equipment, they have quality mechanics, and then the service that you get. I mean, I would be more than glad to pay whatever I'm going to be paying because it's quality.
It'll be done right. It's like once you move past the bolt-ons, it's like you're going into no man's land. You know, like I've never found a good race shop to do stuff at. You've looked high and low, and you finally found one. Yeah. So like this is our race shop, but we're family owned, so it's like you know.
Yeah, oh, that's right. Jake's dad owns the place. Well, they own the place.
Yeah. There you go.
Family owned. They also have another shop.
DeLand.
DeLand.
And Honda Power Sports.
Yeah, for Hunt C. And so, you know, there's no other place here in this area between Citrus and Marion County, that or even Levy, that would have this place that can handle that. And so don't give me the third degree, guys. Come on, this is
There you go.
this is fantastic stuff. I mean, to me, like like I said, it doesn't matter to me, shop fees, whatever, because I'm paying for quality. You know, I don't mind if you get a car like that and you say you're gonna cheapen it. Don't get a car like that.
Yeah, the only cars that are left on the road are the ones that didn't cheap out.
Yes.
You know.
Yes, absolutely.
That's
The ones that aren't blown up.
That's all that's left.
Yeah.
You're one of the few. I'm one of the few.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. And so, and come on. I mean, it's something like that to where, you know, when you're after quality, you're gonna get quality. You know, you ask excellence of something, you'll get it. I mean, it just, you know, the service that you get. Come on.
Right. So if you think about it, you know, everyone's got a horror story going to the dealership. You know, I think everyone's experienced it. And we're probably just one of the places that you don't see that at.
Yep.
We're one in a million.
Yeah, I highly agree.
And we're only an hour from you.
Perfect. In the loaner, make sure I got my keys, my regular keys. And it's a push button start. Bada bing. Wow, wow, wow. All right. Very cool. So anyway, I'm hooked up. They hooked me up. I cannot emphasize enough how good the service is here at RC Hill Mitsubishi in Ocala, Florida. By the way, they also have an office or a shop in DeLand. But family-owned race shop, family-owned dealership, you can't beat it. So anyway, guys, that's today's vlog. I will see you next time again. So hopefully you guys subscribe, like, and share the video. I sincerely appreciate it because it really helps me out with the algorithm. I was just talking about this earlier, and I hope that you guys are enjoying the video. Peace out.